Hey guys, Levi for the Rag Company, and welcome back to Details with Levi. Today, we're gonna do something simple and easy. We're gonna clean the rubber tires on this vehicle, and we're gonna make it easy enough that you at home can do this with anything lying around. So basically, we're gonna be using our garden hose, we're gonna be using a stiff bristled brush, and we've got some car wash soap mixed up in here. We've got a product, we're using Brake Buster, but realistically, you can use anything. You can use an all-purpose cleaner, maybe Power Clean, which is another product we carry. And we're hoping that we're gonna be able to get as much of the dirt and grime out of the tire as possible. Some of you may wonder why maybe your dressing doesn't last very long that you put on your tires. Maybe you're noticing that you're getting kind of a splotchy look to your tires. That's because you're not properly cleaning the rubber. So what we're gonna do today is actually properly clean the rubber. Well, as you can see, my hose is a little leaky, so I'm gonna try not to get wet here. First, we're gonna get the tire and wheel nice and wet. And then I'm gonna take our product here, make sure it's turned on, give it a little shake. And this is Brake Buster straight, and I am gonna recommend that if you guys are using some type of all-purpose cleaner, that you use it straight on the rubber. Sometimes they ask that you properly dilute them, but on rubber, not always. So we're gonna get a good coverage there. What's great about Brake Buster is because it's a total wheel cleaner, you can utilize it on the wheel and the tire. So we don't have to worry about it damaging the wheel at all. So we're gonna let it sit a little bit, have it work and clean, and we're gonna be using our tire brush, which is gonna help us get into some of these grooves and things on here. Give it a good scrub. I mixed up that soap specifically for the tires. But as you can see, as you get in close in here, you can see the tire is actually, the soap is starting to turn brown, which is what we want. Primarily because that's pulling all the dirt and grime and grease and oil and stuff out of the rubber. We'll let that sit for a little while longer, just a few seconds, not much. Then we'll rinse it off. And then we're gonna spray it on again and scrub them. And hopefully we'll make sure that a lot of this brown is out of the tire. The goal is that we're gonna keep going until it actually starts to turn white. And the suds that we get, it's just nice and clean and white. So. I'm gonna give it a little spray in the brush too. Anthony likes doing that. And I'm gonna clean this wheel just for fun. Use our longer bristle brush. You getting that sound, Dane?
We do it for the haters.
That's right. And as you can see, that's looking pretty white. So. So now the wheel's clean, the tire's clean, we're gonna just take one of our Spectrum 420s here in black, and we're just gonna dry everything. The fun part now is that it's clean because the suds coming off the tire were no longer black. So at this point, once it's dry, we can apply protection if we want, or we can just leave it natural and be a nice clean rubber. So I'm just gonna give it a good wipe down. You can use compressed air or anything like that as well to speed up this process. So you probably noticed that I went from the wheel to the tire. Both of them are clean. We just spent the entire video cleaning both the wheel and the tires. So it's not that big of a deal if you're just gonna wipe and dry. Now, if you wanna get crazy and technical with it, use a separate towel to dry the tire, separate towel to clean the wheel, you'll be fine. But this vehicle sees a lot of off-road work, so it's not too bad. Anyway, that's how you clean them. Like I said, if you guys wanna add protection from here, you're more than welcome to, or you can just have a clean, naked tire that is actually clean now, which is nice. So thanks for watching this episode of Details with Levi. For more videos, stay tuned right here at the Rag Company YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.